Okay, quick question. Have you ever wondered why we hiccup? Or how close we came to never seeing the Eiffel Tower in Paris? Let's dive into some quick bites history and science that might just blow your mind. First up, hiccups. You know that weird spasm that makes you sound like a squeaky toy? Turns out hiccups are a leftover from our ancient ancestors. Scientists think it's a reflex from before we were even land animals, like fish level old. Back then, creatures used a similar motion to push water over their gills. Fast forward a few 100 million years, and here we are, still randomly hiccuping during dinner. Wild, right? Now, let's talk about the Eiffel Tower. Today, it's the symbol of Paris, but did you know it almost didn't happen? Back in the late 1800s, Gustave Eiffel's design was considered ugly and pointless by a ton of Parisians. They called it a monstrosity. Artists, writers even signed petitions to stop it from being built. But Eiffel fought back, saying it would show off French engineering. He even paid for most of it himself. The city only agreed because the tower would be torn down after 20 years. Spoiler alert, it's still standing. And now, everybody loves it. So next time you hiccup or see a famous landmark, remember, there's always a weird story behind the things we take for granted. Got more burning questions about everyday stuff? Drop them in the comments and I'll dig up the answers. Hit follow for more quick history and science bites. See you next time.